Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from HackerRank website. And the name of this problem is 15 days of learning SQL. And today is our day 43 of 100 days of SQL challenge where I will be solving one question each day. And I hope you guys are also solving one question with me to practice SQL. And this is a hard level SQL problem. So let us first read the problem and then solve that. So Julia conducted a 15 days of learning SQL contest. The start date of the contest was March 1st, 2016, and the end date was March 15, 2016. Okay, so what Julia did, Julia conducted a contest of SQL. It was a 15 days of contest, and the start date of that contest was 1st of March, and the end date was 15th of March, right? Now what I need to do is write a query to print total number of unique hackers who made at least one submission each day starting on the first day of the contest. Okay, so as you see that she has conducted the contest for 15 days, so I need to find out the number of unique hackers who made at least one submission each day. Okay, so I need to find out the total number of unique hackers who made at least one submission each day, and we have to start from the very first day, that is 1st of March, and find the hacker ID and name of the hacker who made maximum number of submissions each day. Okay, then second thing that I need to find out is I need to find out the hacker ID and name of that hacker who made maximum number of submissions each day. So let's say on 1st of March, one hacker has made two submission, one hacker has made one submission, so I need to take the hacker who made two submission, that is maximum number of submission each day, and I need to print the name of that hacker. Okay, I hope you understand. And if more than one such hacker has a maximum number of submissions, print the lowest hacker ID. So for example, on let's say on 1st of March, hacker ID 1, 2 and 3, they have made submission, and hacker ID 1, 2 and 3, both three of them have made the same number of submission, that is let's say 2. Now if that is the case, I need to print the hacker with lowest hacker ID. So I will print the name of that hacker with lowest hacker ID. So I will print the name of hacker with ID is equals to 1. Okay, I hope you understand. Now the query should print this information for each day of the contest sorted by the date. Okay, so they have Julia conducted 15 days, so I need to print these things for each day, and then I have to order by the date as well. So they have given us the input format where we have hackers table and this submissions table. So in hackers table I have these two columns, that is hacker ID and name. Hacker ID is the ID of the hacker and name is the name of that hacker. Okay, very simple. Now in submissions table I have four columns, that is submission date. So when the hacker have made the submission, so that date is present in this submission date. And submission ID is the ID of the submission. Hacker ID is the ID of the hacker who made the submission, and the score is the score of the submission, right? Now they have given us the sample input as well. So this is hackers table and then this is the submission table, right? And they have given us the output. So this is the submission date, this is the total number of unique hackers who made the who made at least one submission each day, right? And this is the hacker ID and this is the name of the hacker. Okay, now they have given us the explanation. So by reading this explanation you will understand the question in more depth. So on March 1st, 2016, these hackers made submission. Okay, and there are four unique hackers who made at least one submission each day. As each hacker has made one submission, this is considered to be the hacker who made maximum number of submission on this day. The name of the hacker is Angela. So as you can see here in this submissions table, on the very first date, that is 1st of March, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 records. Now these are the hackers, these are the hacker IDs who made the submission. So 207035347379722 36396. So these are all the unique hacker ID, because the hacker ID is not same. All of them are different. So these are four unique hackers who made the submission on the 1st of March. And now this one hacker have made the submission with this submission ID. So these are, so this one hacker has made one submission, this one has made one, this one has made one, this one also has made one submission. So how many total unique hackers who made the submission on 1st of March was 4. And now, because each of them have made the same number of submission, that is only 1, so I need to take the hacker with lowest hacker ID. So I will go with this 20703 and I will find out the name of this hacker in my hackers table. So 20703 is Angela, right? Now let's see for the 2nd of March. Now for 2nd of March, these 3 hackers have made the submissions. However, only these are the hackers who made the submission each day, right? So what each day means, on the 1st of March they have submitted, as well as on the 2nd of March they have submitted, right? And this one hacker is only this one hacker only made submission on the second day, that is 2nd of March only. Okay, now out of these 2 hackers, let's see here. So on 2nd of March, 1 2 3 and 4, so 4 records are there. Now this hacker 2073 has made has made submission, that is this with this ID. 15758 has made submission, and this 79722 is there 2 times. So this particular hacker has made submission 2 times, because the submission ID is unique. So this is the this we can say that this hacker ID has made the submission 2 times on the same particular date. Okay, now these 2 hackers, unique 2 hackers, have also made the submission 1st of March, but this is new, so I don't have to take this. I only want to take the hackers who made at least one submission each day, right? Each day. So now out of these 2, that is 20703 and 79722, whom I want to take in my final result. So as you can see that this one particular hacker, that is 79722, have made 2 submission, and this made only 1. So maximum number of submission is made by this hacker. So I will only take this hacker, and then I will find out the name of this hacker 79722 on the in this hackers table. So 79 this, so Michael. So I will print the Michael. I hope you understand. And let's just see for 3rd of March also. So on 3rd of March, this one. So there are 3 records only. So this. Now this hacker ID has made submission. Now this 20703 was available in 2nd of March also, and for 1st of March also. Okay, and this 36396 is new. Okay, so this particular hacker only made submission on 3rd of March. So I don't need those hacker. I need the hackers who made submission each day, at least one submission, right? And this one particular hacker, that is 79722, this also made submission on 1st of March as well as on 2nd of March. All right. Now out of these 2 hackers, whom I should take? So they this 20703 have made one submission, and this one also had made submission. So if that is the case, so I have to go with the lowest hacker ID. Okay, so this is the lowest hacker ID, and then I will find out the name and print that name. I hope you understand. Okay, now to I have made this both of these table in my SQL server. So let's go to SQL server and solve that question. Okay, so these are the 2 hackers, right? Now this is submissions table, and this is so basically I have made the submissions table as well, and I have made this hackers table as well. Now I have written the solution, but let's try to solve understand that solution. Okay, so first what I am doing, just focus on this one. First focus on this one. Okay, now what I am doing is I am selecting the submission date, I am selecting the hacker ID. Okay, so let me just comment this one, and comment this one as well. Okay, and let me just only run that query so that you people understand it. From okay, so I need just this one. Okay, now this output is not visible in this, but let's say, yeah, now I hope you see that. Okay, let me just, yeah, all right. So now I have the submission date and the hacker ID with me, right? Okay, and then what I have done is, I have count. So first let us understand this one. Okay, so dense rank over order by submission date in ascending form, and I have given the alias as n contest day. So what this will do is order by submission date. Okay, so this is my, let me just pull it little upwards. Yeah, so order by submission date. So this first, there are four records. So these are same. So dense rank for all these four rows will be 1, and then it will for all these 2, it will be 2, for 3 or it will be 3, for these 4 it will be 4, and this 5 it will be 5, and last for 6th of March I have only one record, so it will be 6. Okay, and let me just execute this. Okay, now as you can see here, yeah, as you can see that for this right, let me just focus on this one first. So for this 1st of March, okay, this is same first. So this will be this will be 1111 dense rank, right? Because we are ordering by the submission date. So in ascending, so it will start from 1st of March and then to 2nd of March, 3rd of March, and last 6th of March. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah, so you understand the submission date, hacker ID, and this dense rank as n contest day. So this, so 1st of March is first. So as you can see that this is first, let's say first contest day. Okay, now let's focus on this one. Now what this will give me, this will give me the dense rank over a partition by hacker ID. Okay, partition by hacker ID, and then order by submission date in ascending form. Okay, so first hacker ID, so this 20703, then here 20703, 20703, 20703. So all these will be my one group, because I am doing partitioning. So these will be my first group, and then how I will assign the rank, I will assign the rank on the basis of this submission date. Okay, so this one, so this 20703, because the submission date is 1, so this will it will assign the rank 1, and for this one that is 20703, it will assign the rank 2 for that, and for this 20703 it will assign rank 3, because I am doing order by submission date in ascending form. And let me run this. Okay, so as you can see that this this was, we have assigned the, and I have given the alias name as n hacker day, and this is n contest day. Okay, now what I am doing is I am treating this whole that yeah, so first I have also, we also have to count the submission ID, so that I can see that how many there are a number of submission I can see, right? So this let me put here comma. Okay, and let me run this query. What happened? Column submission date is invalid in the select list. Okay, so I need to select this. Yeah, so I from this query I get the end contest day and hacker day, submission date, hacker ID, and uh, number of submission that hacker group by the submission date and hacker ID. Okay, all right. And I am treating this, that is this table, uh, as a temporary table. So I have created the CT, that is common table expression. So with P1 underscore CT you can give any name, as then you have to use this parenthesis, and then here you have to close this parenthesis. Now what I have done is, now from the this table, let me just pull it little upwards. Yeah, so from this one, so this table is coming from my first query, and from this table what I will do is, yeah, so what I will do, I will select the submission date, that is this one. I will retrieve the submission date. I will retrieve the hacker ID. And what I will do, I will do dense rank over partition by submission date. Okay, partition by submission date. So this 1st March will be my one group, 2nd March will be my second group, and so on. And then order by number of submission in descending. Okay, so for example on 1st of March, okay, on 1st of March, that is my one group. Now I have to assign the rank, assign the dense rank. And how I am assigning the dense rank? On the basis of number of submission in descending form, in descending. Okay, so for example, let's see for this one. So for this date, that is 1st of March, this is 1st of March, the how many submission it so only one submission. Okay, now on this 1st of March, this first one submission. So on 1st of March, all the all the hackers have made only one submission. Okay, so this dense rank will be 1 for 1st of March, because all of them only have made one submission. But on 2nd of March, one hacker made the made two submission, and one hacker made, let's say, one submission. Okay, so the hacker with two submission will assign the rank as 1, because we are doing in descending form. Okay, in descending form. And I will, and order by number of submission that it has done. And then we have also seen that if the number of submission is same, let's say, let me explain you by giving you an example. So let's say on 2nd of March, my name is Saurav. Okay, so on 2nd of March, Saurav has made, let's say two submissions. Okay, on 2nd of March, Saurav has made two submission, and let's say Yash has made also two submissions. And my my ID is 1 and Yash ID is 2. So now we both have made the same number of submissions. So this dense rank for Saurav and Yash will be 1 1, because we are doing in descending form. But what I will choose, I will choose Saurav, because his ID is lower. His ID is 1 and Yash ID is 2, so I will choose 1. So that's why I am doing order by number of submission descending, and then by hacker ID in ascending, and I am giving it alias as RNK, number submission, right? I hope you understand this. So from this column I will get the, okay, then what we are doing here, we are doing case when a dot n contest day is equals to a dot n hacker day. If these are same, then 1, else 0, and end. Okay, so what it will do, so let's see for this contest day. if the contest day and hacker day is same, so let's see for this 2nd of March where hacker ID is 15758. Now hacker day is 1 but contest day is 2, so these are not equal. So this hacker ID I will not include, because this hacker ID has made the this hacker ID made the submission on 2nd of March only. He did not have made submission on 1st of March, so I don't need them. So what I will do, I will give when I am creating this new column with case statement, it will give it as a value as 0, and for all the hackers with n hacker day is equals to contest day, it will assign 1. Okay, so it will assign 1, and then we are doing sum over partition by submission date. Okay, so this 1st of March will be my one group, 2nd of March will be my another group, and then I will add them to get the number of total unique hackers. Okay, now from I'm creating this as again as a CTE, and what I will do is so now my submission date is I am getting from a dot that is submissions table, number of hackers, that is number of unique hackers I am getting from this. Okay, and then hacker ID I am getting from this, and the name is not present in this CT. Name is present in hackers this table. Okay, so I am joining these two tables, that is this p2 underscore CTE and this hackers underscore hack. I am joining these two on the basis of this a dot hacker ID is equals to b dot hacker ID, but I only need the hackers with where a dot rnk number of submissions equal to 1. Why I am choosing why I am applying this condition, because I have also given you the example that when there is a case, let's say on first of let's say on 2nd of March. Okay, there were two hackers. One has made two submissions and other have made only one submission. So I only take the hacker with highest number of submission, that is 2, and this rank, this rnk number of submission for that hacker will be 1. So I only need I so basically I'm filtering out the number of rows where this rnk number of submission is only 1. Okay, and then at the end we are doing order by a dot submission underscore date in ascending form. Okay, and let's just execute this, and we got our result. Okay, so just let me copy this and go to our HackerRank environment. Okay, so I have pasted that code, and let's see. Okay, so the here the name of the table is hackers, so I just have to tweak here, so hackers only, and let me just run the code. Okay, congratulations, we have passed all the sample test cases, and let me just quickly submit the code. And if you guys are liking my videos, please subscribe to the channel. And if you don't understand anything, I have tried my best to explain you, but if you don't understand anything, please write it on in the comment section, and I will try to give you I will try to solve your query. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video.